Coming hot.
Thank you.
It's been a long wait. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
God
very
bless
welcome.
you, everybody.
And that's what's so nice about these people is you tell them maybe tomorrow, maybe 2 days, and they're just excited that you're here. Now we have a fiesta. We got these people's lights on, and I kind of did it on my own. I started giving away some Cardinal hats when I first came down. Hola! Kind of spread some St. Louis cheer.
Cógela. Dile
For
gracias.
you?
Dile gracias. Dile. Dile.
And you guys say no Cubs.
No cops.
We didn't even realize kind of what was going on for the first several days. And then we start seeing a kid or two pop up with a Cardinals hat on, and then 3 or 4, and we realized that Ken was giving out the Cardinals hats, and every time he handed out a Cardinals hat, he had to make sure that the kids could repeat, no Cubs.
You don't like the Cubs, do you?
No Cubs.
No Cub. Put your hat on, no Cubs.
No Cubs.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome.
Ken started handing out all the Cardinal gear to the kids, and we sent all the information back to St. Louis, and the Cardinals found out about it. They sent us t-shirts. It was really exciting for our guys just to have a chance to give back to these people that have been so good to us. St. Louis Cardinals, and what the Cardinals did by sending the hats and t-shirts for all the kids really made a difference, and they were very excited to get it.
What Ken did, just out of sheer kindness and wanting to give something to someone that doesn't have hardly anything. They just thought it was the neatest thing.
Thanks, Cardinals. You come down here, and this is truly about helping people out, and you come down here and they want to give back to you as much as you want to try to give to them. That's pretty unique in today's world. Sometimes we'd turn somebody's lights on and I'd give a kid a hat, and boy, you're welcome. Wave it and cheer and scream, and it was a good feeling.
Oh, I can't say enough about what the Cardinals have done for this group of guys to send them down to be able to hand out things and just be part of our St. Louis culture, part of something from Missouri, and part of Cardinal Nation.
Vamos, Cardinals! Vamos, Cardinals!